If you're familiar with the Poultry Hawk, you're familiar with this. This is the remote, which enables this trolley to follow you around. But when this doesn't work, life gets a little more interesting. So this little video is going to show you, the owner, how you can diagnose the most common remote problems, which happen to be battery related or battery contact problems. Today's video is only regarding the old style remotes. That's part 100-246. You can identify it by the little antenna on top of it. So without further ado, we're going to have Mel, our lead technician, address those issues in this video.
All right, we're going to be checking the battery on this remote. So if you turn it over, and the best thing to use is a paper clip. It works great. And you just engage that learn button. If you do not get the blue flash, then you'll know you've got an issue with the remote. So we're going to take this apart. Easiest way I found, if you have a fingernail, pop that open like that. And then you can use this, go right in the middle, push it out, go inside the little prong, and then first thing we're going to do is check the voltage of the battery. Turn it upside down, put the negative on the back of it, the positive on the outside edge, and we should have 3.4 or less. This one shows 3.09, which is good. If you're at 295 or less, you might want to think about changing that battery out. The next thing we want to check is the battery contact surface. That's this brass looking surface here. Sometimes that may have corrosion on it. It may have some kind of a flaky looking substance on it. You'll want to take like a paper towel and just use a screwdriver. And I use electronic cleaner and clean that surface up so it's smooth. And then lastly, you want to push these tabs down with a small screwdriver so you make sure you got contact with your battery. Then you reinsert your battery and snap that back on. And put it back together. And we'll make sure we got contact. All right, once you establish that you have power, and you allow that light to blink till it ends, now it's cleared out. Now you're going to reset the buttons. Get the blue light blinking, turn it around, and hit each button twice. That way you're sure not to miss one. And when that stops, you're ready to go to your control board. Push the learn button, and then push a few more buttons on here to communicate with the learn button, and you should be good to go. Now that you have checked your battery, everything seems to be performing right. Let's go ahead and check the connectivity with the board. I'm going to push the stop button, and the center light, which is your remote light, should come on. And then I'm going to let go of it. It should go off. Now if you come to the board and your remote light is on steady and you're not pushing any buttons, then there's probably a problem with the remote. So you'll need to remove the battery. If the light goes out, then you're going to have to replace the remote.